Okay, so I'm really pleased to say that the rain has stopped. So let's start with the awning before it starts raining again. So just inside the door you'll find this awning handle. Unclip it, bend the handle 90 degrees, and we're going to insert this into this hole here. Now make sure that we don't bang against the door. So we'll turn it the right way, give it a little turn, and then allow it to drop. Now that's now resting in there nicely towards the back of the van, and the roof will start to come out. Bring it out a little bit of the way. Now with the awning out part of the way, you'll see that there are these two legs. As if we go to the very end, take our finger and pull it towards the centre of the van, then it will swing out, and at that point we can dogleg the hinge, so bringing the whole thing forwards towards us, rotate it down, and then we're going to slide this to the very end until it clicks. This sleeve up, pull the bottom of the leg up. So let me show you that again. I place my hand on here, push this up, and now it can drop down to the floor. And to lock it, once we've got the right height, we simply push this all the way down, and this sleeve stops it coming back up. So at this stage, we lift this up, we unlock it, and we don't want it all the way down. We're going to lock it so that the foot of the thing is suspended. We'll do the same on the other side. And with both legs now out, we can wind the awning out much further. Leave that so that we're not going to bang on the paint. We're going to drop this leg, so this collar up, release the lock, and we lock it and bring the collar back down. Release the lock. Let's get it to the right height, more or less. Back down. Now the important thing is to make sure that these elbows never go completely straight. You always want a bit of a bend in this. Now I'm going to show you how to strengthen the awning. If there's a breeze, like today, there's a bit of a breeze. I don't know if you can just see it in the trees and bushes around us. If it's very windy, you don't want to be using the awning. But if it's a light breeze like this, it's not too bad. I'm going to show you how to strengthen an awning. So if we go round to the driver's side, in the driver's door, you will see the awning kit, which comprises of 4 pegs and 2 cords. So what we're going to do is we're going to feed one of these cables into this channel. So if we look closely at the end, you can see that there is a little channel. So I'm taking this, and you'll notice that there is a knot at the end of each of these cords. I take the knot and I place it, line it up with the channel, and give it a gentle pull. The same with this one, and it's in. So now I can walk this one to about a foot from the end, bring this one in about a foot from the end. So taking the pegs, we'll put that somewhere safe. So as you can see, we've pegged out the 2 things. So if we look here, you'll notice that there's an eyelet on each side. And so what we want to do is put a peg at an angle of about 45 degrees through the eyelet. That will stop this being pulled upwards if the wind gets underneath the awning. And obviously we do the same for the other foot. Now there's 2 things to remember at this stage. Number 1, take this out and put it back so you know where it is. And it goes with the handle upwards. The second and really important thing is, if we now open this door, we'll catch this bar. So once the awning's up, do not come and go through this passenger door. If you do have to open the passenger door with the awning up though, for example, what I'm about to demonstrate, which is swiveling the chair, then you have to raise this considerably. And in order to do that, I'll have to loosen off the guide. So now hopefully we can open this door without catching the awning, but I'm going to do it slowly just in case. There we go, we've got about ½ an inch of clearance so we can get into the vehicle now. But obviously this isn't the optimum height for the awning, so this is a temporary measure.